Oh, I love your new plant, by the way. What did you name it?
Survivor. It's lasted longer than the last 3. Oh, that's the client calling. How do I look? Oh, wait, one more thing.
Perfect. You got this.
Bye. Hi, everyone.
You're ready. Your space should be too. With the Decorate Your Background effect in Microsoft Teams Premium, you can use AI to enhance what's seen of your real-life background. Meet with confidence every time. Make meetings more engaging with decorations for special occasions or just for fun.